Mi 10 Lite Zoom Edition Summary. Mi 10 Lite Zoom Edition smartphone was launched on the 27th of April 2020. The phone comes with a 6.57-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Mi 10 Lite Zoom Edition is powered by a 2.4 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor that features 1 cores clocked at 2.4 GHz, 1 cores clocked at 2.2 GHz and 6 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. It comes with 6 GB of RAM. The Mi 10 Lite Zoom Edition runs Android 10 and is powered by a 4160 mAh battery. The Mi 10 Lite Zoom Edition supports proprietary fast charging. Display screen size inches 6.57 touchscreen Yes resolution 1080 by 2400 pixels protection type Gorilla Glass hardware processor 2.4 GHz octa-core 1 by 2.4 GHz plus 1 by 2.2 GHz plus 6 by 1.8 GHz processor make Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G RAM 6 GB internal storage 64 GB camera rear camera 48 megapixel f1.79 plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear autofocus Yes rear flash Yes rear third camera attr f8 2.2 micron front camera 16 megapixel software operating system Android 10 Skin MIUI 11 connectivity Wi-Fi Yes Wi-Fi standards supported 802.11a B per gram NGPS Yes Bluetooth Yes V5.10 NFC Yes infrared Yes USB Type-C Yes number of SIMs 2 Wi-Fi Direct Yes SIM 1 SIM type Nano-SIM GSM CDMA GSM 3G Yes 4G LTE Yes 5G Yes supports 4G in India band 40 Yes SIM 2 GSM CDMA GSM 3G Yes 4G LTE Yes supports 4G in India band 40 Yes sensors face unlock Yes in display fingerprint sensor Yes compass magnetometer Yes proximity sensor Yes accelerometer Yes ambient light sensor Yes gyroscope Yes.